Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I'm your quant educator Mirza Ehtisham Beg, and today I am going to discuss the last 10 days strategy to counter SBI prelims examination. As you all know that SBI has released its examination date and you don't have much time left to counter this examination. So how you are going to prepare in this short period of time? I'll discuss everything. I'll discuss the authentic, or you can say the educated strategy to counter the prelims examination. But before we start this video, those who have not installed the Entry app must do it at once and start giving free high quality mocks. There will be several video courses available, sectional tests, mock tests, everything is available on this app. And the link of this app has been given in the description of this video. So you can go and learn from this app. Alright, those who want some guidance, personal guidance, can connect us with this WhatsApp number. Okay, you can WhatsApp us and we will sort out your issues. So now let's start this video. As you all know that the prelims examination date has been announced from 10th to 13th of July. They are going to conduct this examination. Alright, so after that you will not get much time to give the mains examination, because after 13, I believe in a week you will see your result come out. So you don't have much time left. So let's start this video. Guys, this is the syllabus to counter your examination: reasoning, numerical ability and English. As you all know the prelims pattern, you will be getting 100 questions, okay, for 60 minutes, and 100 questions divided in 35, 35 and 30. These two 35 are quant and reasoning, and the 30 questions belongs to English. And each of the section will be getting 20 minutes. That means equal time. Now how you are going to counter this prelims examination? As you all know that their cutoff is of state wise. So let me elaborate you one by one. First of all, as I am a quant educator, so I'll start with quant. Okay, guys, one thing you should understand that you will be getting 3 sections in SBI clerk: simplification, okay, and then arithmetic. So let me give you the clear idea. You will be getting simplification. In simplification you will be getting number series as well, okay, number series and a quadratic equation. So these are the things you will be getting in quant section. I believe 10 to 15 questions will be there from this section. And after that, apart from this, arithmetic section will also be there. Arithmetic section will also be there. Around 10 to 12 questions will be there. And at least one DI will be there. At least one DI. Okay. Which means you can get 2 DI as well. So it is the pattern of SBI clerk examination, quant section. Okay. Now after that, so what you have to do, you will have to focus more on arithmetic and simplification. Why? Because these two sections give you edge. Why? This is the simplification or number series and quadratic equation section belongs to the easy one. So you will always go with easy to moderate to difficult. Okay. That means you'll start with simplification, number series, quadratic equation, and then move to arithmetic section. Okay, arithmetic, you will have to find the moderate section from arithmetic and DI. Okay, some of the questions you will get to make you stuck in the time frame, but you don't have to stuck. Okay, you just leave that question and move ahead. Do not get stuck in any of the question. Remember that. Okay, so you will have to focus on your calculation part more. That means simplification and arithmetic section. Now in English section you will have to focus on reading comprehension, because you will be getting lots of questions on reading comprehension. Okay, so all you have to do is to focus on reading comprehension. And in reasoning, as we all know that reasoning belongs to only one topic, that is puzzle. These days puzzle are most trending ones in the reasoning part. So if you want to prepare the reasoning section, you'll have to work on your puzzle as well. Okay, because majority of the questions you will be getting from puzzle. In fact, 20 to 25 questions you will be getting from puzzles. So it's a huge weightage, and I believe you can counter this part by practicing more and more. So how you are going to practice? Let me elaborate you. Strategy to counter prelims. First of all, you should know that you have been left with less than 10 days. Okay, now what you can do? Regular mocks. How you are going to give regular mocks? At least one sectional mock of each subject. You have to give at least one sectional mock of each subject daily. Okay, it is for daily. And one full mock test. Why one full mock test? Because if you make a habit of sitting in the examination pattern, like for the whole 60 minute, and separate 20 minutes each for each section, so that means you are making a habit in sitting of the examination, in the examination scenario. Okay, analyze the questions with time. Look, after giving the question, after solving all the questions, just analyze how much time you have spent on a particular question or each question. Then you will realize that in which question you are getting stuck, or in which question you are passing with wave. Okay, prepare your own progress chart. Look, if you prepare your own progress chart, it will help you, and check after every 3 to 4 days. Why? Because you don't have much time left. Only 10 days have been left, and for the last day, don't try any of the mock. Why? Because if you try any of the mock, and you might get stuck because of the nervous behavior you are going to produce at the end of the preparation time. Okay, so do not try any of the mock. Just chill out in the last day and go in the examination on the next day, and I believe you can clear your examination with this strategy. So it is one of the best strategy, I believe. So just go there and enjoy this one. I hope you all have liked this video. Those who have not subscribed this YouTube channel must do it at once and start giving all the mocks on our app. The link of this app has been given in the description of this video. So keep watching Entry for the latest information on banking and insurance. Till then, thank you.